What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe Somebody and I like cameras. I like to dabble with photography and I really like to make videos here on YouTube, you know, like I've been doing for the past 12 years. All those years ago I started with this Canon T3i and then 8 months ago upgraded to the Canon EOS 90D. And though I do really enjoy the EOS 90D, I felt like it was time to try a full frame camera and something that can record in C-Log, which I may or may not regret because that just opens this whole color grading thing wide open. I've been saving money for the last several years, but I'm hoping this Canon EOS R6 is going to be exactly what I wanted. This will be my first full frame camera, and I bought the Canon RF 15 to 35 f2.8L series lens to go with it. I think it's going to be really good for this style setup of vlogging, so that's going to be my next video, is unboxing the lens. So I'm just going to open this thing up and it's like Christmas. I mean, first of all, a very sleek and stylish package, just the R and Canon EOS R6, Canon limited warranty card, and the EOS R6 instruction manual. Probably going to regret tossing that on the floor. So the first thing I'm pulling out of the box is this Canon battery charger, which is the LC-E6. The LC-E6 is the same exact charger that came with the Canon 90D. We have the LP-E6NH Battery. So you got this battery here. Don't focus on my eyes, focus on the battery. There you go. It's in this protective piece here, so we'll pull that off. There we go. There she is. You got the Canon strap. Man, I used to use these on all my cameras, and now I don't actually prefer a strap on it. I don't know why. I guess it just kind of got in the way. And here is the camera body. It's very similar. I obviously can't compare it to the 90D as far as size goes, or at least not a way that you can see right now. But let's take the Canon T3i, move this stuff out of the way. So this is the Canon Rebel T3i, and this is the Canon EOS R6. They're fairly similar in size. One thing that I read about and just remembered is that the EOS R6 doesn't actually have a built-in flash here. The Rebel T3i and the EOS 90D both have a built-in flash that pops up in some modes, or if you want it to. I don't like using a built-in flash. This camera uses the RF series lenses like this one instead of the EF lenses, which is a different mount. So you can actually use an adapter on the R6 to adapt to your EF or EFS lenses. So I'm probably going to be doing some feature comparisons between the Canon EOS R6, the EOS 90D, and actually even maybe the Canon Rebel T3i, just so you kind of get an understanding of you know, differences in quality and things like that, because I'd like to see that, and I looked for information like that prior to buying it. And though there's a lot of people that talk about the Canon EOS R6, it's kind of hard to understand until you use it how your stuff is going to look different. So if I can do a comparison between an older camera like the T3i or this 90D that's actually a fairly capable camera, you know, crop sensor versus full frame, a couple different things, maybe that will help somebody. Oh yeah, and one other thing that nobody really mentioned, or at least I didn't see before I bought this, is you have to have a special memory card for recording in C-Log. It does have dual card slots for SD cards, but it just needs to be noted that if you're going to be recording in C-Log or C-Log 3, which is one of the reasons why I wanted this camera, I bought the SanDisk Extreme Pro 128 gig SD card. I have the UHS-I 64 gig version of this card in this 90D, and that should work for regular 4K recording, just not if you're going to be using the C-Log or C-Log 3. And these are not cheap. I actually got this one on sale from B&H Photo Video, which is actually where I bought all of the stuff, but the card was actually on sale, and on sale it was 150 bucks. But that's going to do it for this unboxing video. I kind of, for some reason, thought that there may be more to it, but when you buy a body only, you only get the body, and the strap, and the battery, and the charger. And like I said, I'll probably do a different video quickly unboxing the RF lens that I got to go with it, and hope to be shooting all of my future videos with this, as well as some comparison videos. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. Even if you don't subscribe, that's okay, because I don't only do camera stuff. As a matter of fact, I don't do a lot of camera stuff. But I do ask that you like this video. If you liked it, make sure to check out some of my other content, and maybe even click the subscribe button if you want to hang around and see the other things that I do, because I do all kinds of stuff. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.